Well, as usual, I forgot to start taking a video when I first started disassembly. I get into a project and I honestly forget about the channel sometimes. I've done a few I haven't even filmed. So, some water damage on the bottom. I guess I should start with saying that this is a pub time dart machine. So let's see. Manufactured by Pub Time of Canada. So this is a Canadian machine. It's the soft tip darts, coin operated, accepts quarters. Cabinet is pretty beat up, water damage on the bottom. This is a vinyl decal, so I should be able to peel that off of the water damaged wood and reuse it. So in the back here, I've already started pulling out the boards and that, cleaning it up a little bit. I'm just trying to get it to a state I feel comfortable turning it on again. I tried it when I bought it and it did work for the most part. You could tell there was a lot of dirty contacts. So power supply is down here. That sits here. Main scoreboard is there. That is being all cleaned up. Let's see. There's another board in there. I'm not sure what does what right now. So I've got this one to take out. Yeah, and just have cleaned up in here. This is going to come off later so I can see how the scoring works. It's not a lot to this machine, but like I said, it did work when I got it. So it's going to be a lot of cleaning up and changing out some switches. I had two of the connectors, one from the power supply, one from the ground here. Oh, not even filming. So this one here was soldered to the board. So was this one, but there's a spot for a spade connector, so I really don't know why they would have soldered it. Took them off, put a spade connector on so I could remove everything nicely. So probably upgrade the speakers as well, unless these ones work really good. I'm going to put a volume control on because it was loud, very loud. So just standard ribbon cable here. So I can't really, with the way I've got it sitting in the garage, I have a hard time filming it while I'm working. It's missing the marquee. Just need a piece of plexiglass and make a decal. Of course, I threw out something with a piece of plexiglass a few days ago before I even thought about this. I'm going to change out that crappy fluorescent bulb to some LEDs as well. And there's a plug on the side of the power supply it can plug right into. There's another board that sits on top of there. That's the power connections for it. All right, well, I'll be back in a bit once I've got everything cleaned up, and I'll get the harness right out of there. I'll probably be going with a different color. I don't know if I'm going to bother painting the inside. We'll see how hard it is to take this out. If this all comes out in one piece, I might as well take the top off again and paint the whole thing. Well, back in a little while when I got a little bit more progress done.